Hello and welcome to this Bizmates for Beginners video series. And today's phrase is I'll take a rain check. A rain check. What's a rain check? We will find out, but first let's do our test. Okay? So, you requested a report and I finish it right away. Okay, here's the report you requested. And you say? That's right, you rock. Okay, I hope you got that. Let's go on to today's phrase. I'll take a rain check. This is a great phrase. When you want to say no to an invitation. If someone invites you to a party, drinking, let's go shopping, we can use this phrase to say no. Like this. Let me show you. So let's imagine Taro and I are colleagues, and I say, hey, let's go drinking tonight. We finished work early, let's go drinking. And Taro says, let's go next time. Okay, this is okay. Let's go next time. I hear this often. I often ask my coworkers, hey, let's go drinking. And it's always, let's go next time. It's okay. But a more natural way to say this is like this. So I say, hey, let's go drinking tonight. And Taro says, I'll take a rain check. Whoa, very natural. I'll take a rain check. And maybe the reason, so I'll take a rain check. I'm a little tired today. I'll take a rain check. I have dinner plans with my wife. Like this. And it just means I can't go with you tonight or today, but I will go next time. Okay, like this. I'll take a rain check. Let's look at pronunciation. It's I'll take a rain check. You try. Good. With my sentence, hey, let's go drinking tonight. Oh, okay, sure. Next time. Perfect. Okay, for homework, I will say, let's go drinking tonight. And you say, I'll take a rain check. Please remember, and give a reason. I'll take a rain check. I have to work late, like this. Okay, please practice this, and we will see you next time. Thank you.